Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Roblox content not accessible. Open your profile in Roblox. You will see that when you try to join a game, the inaccessible content error appears. Here, click on Go to Settings. Then click on the option Content Maturity. There, drag the bar to the level Restricted. The automatic change will be applied. Back in the game, you can see that this time it will be possible to have access to it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.